What's going on, guys? Good morning. Doing a little Friday streaming. Almost never do these Friday streams, but decided to do one today since yesterday we had that crazy SPY dump. I wanted to get on here with you today and go over some charts, make some plans, put them out in the watch list, answer some questions, because, a lot of volatility coming back in here. Things had quieted down for a while, the last, 2 or 3 days, more or less. We had some crazy moves to the upside and then some chop. And then yesterday, man, the SPY put in some crazy day. Crazy day here on the chart. Look at this. Look at that candle. That's insane. And now today, bouncing off that 200-day moving average level. Actually, not even. Didn't even get down there. Because this is a misprint. So, yeah. Got to see what happens today. How's everyone doing today? Ready to rock and roll? Let me let everybody know we're live. Let me put out a couple tweets here. Get your tickers ready that you want me to look over, and we'll go ahead and jump into those. All right. All right, cool, guys. Yeah, we'll jump into those right now. Morning, Dwayne. The Beast, what's up? Umberto, what's going on? DCFC, MODD, we'll get those. Cindy, good morning. Glad to see you on Friday. Good morning. Glad to be here. Yeah, I decided to do a little Friday stream today since the markets were so volatile yesterday. We had that crazy dump. What could we expect today? So I was like, you know what? Let me get on the live stream today. And all I did was just push it forward a little bit. Instead of 8 a.m., I did it at 8:15. So yeah, I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and let's run it. Let's end the week on a bang. So DCFC, that's funny you bring up DCFC. I don't know if you were in chat yesterday, the Beast, when I did the lesson, or early on in the pre-market. Actually, I think that's when I might have shared it. I don't even remember if I shared it now. I had it pulled up, the DCFC chart. Yeah, I think I did bring it up yesterday in the Discord. But remember DCFC? We talked about intraday. It had this head and shoulders pattern, not yesterday, but the day before. I drew out the candles. And look what happened. Exactly that. That head and shoulders came out to fruition perfectly. Always got to be on the lookout for those patterns, guys. All right, so let's go bring up DCFC really quickly on the charts. See what's going on there. That's a pretty big pop there in pre-market. Here's that head and shoulders we talked about. That what happened there. We gapped down. Didn't do much at all yesterday. Honestly, if you really look at it, it almost looks like a giant bear flag. But we're up above it now. I wonder if there's news on that. Let me take a look. Great day and good morning. No news today that I see on DCFC. Remember yesterday I did talk about watching those 12s, $11.90, $12 zone. This morning here we're bouncing just in front of that level. If DCFC can get up and over 15, you might see a little squeeze action. That's the line to get over, 15. So that if you do get up over 15, you might see a little squeeze action here. You might see a little resistance between 1530 and 1550s. But after that, you know, it could get crazy on DCFC. So you can definitely keep that on watch. I'm gonna actually put it on the watch list. Thanks to Beast for bringing that one up. Let's I'm gonna go ahead and add that one right now. DCFC watching for $15 area to break and hold as support. Could get a squeeze. All right. Okay, so we got DCFC, MODD, CD. Good morning, CD. MODD. Oh my God, this doesn't really trade any volume. Yeah, this doesn't trade volume. It's a barcode stock. Look, see? It doesn't trade volume at all. And now you have this. Like the volume that you're seeing is to the downside. It's not good. Not good. You don't want to see it hold at least these 430s, which right now it has held them. But this doesn't trade any volume. I'd stay away from this if it were me. CTRM, Justin, good morning. CTRM. This thing's been on a tear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We count today 6 days straight up. Tapping that 200-day moving average, which coincides with this strong previous level of support here on the daily chart. So you might find some resistance there. You're already seeing it shy away from that level here in pre-market. So that 230 is going to be crucial. You'll want to see it hold yesterday's highs at least. Very, very light volume stock as well. BRCC, go ahead and take a look at that for you. I mean, there's not much to go off of here. There's only 2 days, well, 1 day of action. I guess this was a brand new IPO yesterday. 1 day of action here. And today's candle is insane. Like, really, it's crazy. It's very light volume as well. Very light volume. Imagine, you're talking about only 4,000 shares basically traded in this 3-minute candle right there. In that single green candle, you have 3.9 thousand shares traded. It's not a lot of volume at all, right? And you don't have a lot of price action. I mean, if you get up and over 17, here looking at this 15-minute chart, you can see 17 resistance, 17 resistance, 17 resistance. We actually went over a pattern like this yesterday during lesson time at the daytraderchatroom.com. Guys, those of you who might be new, right there, it's pinned to the top. You can come join us for 30 days for completely free and be with us in the live stream in the Discord. Here, I'll put the link in here again for you. Friday. Good time to join. So we went over a similar pattern like that. And oftentimes, if the stock is able to get over that level, you tend to see an explosive move. You tend to see. Not always, but you do tend to see them. So yeah, that's what I would watch on that thing. The Beast. Someone said it was WSB. We're at it. What, on CTRM? Yeah, I mean, it's not surprising. It's been up for a while now, and this thing's beaten up. They like those. Guys, do me a quick solid. Hit that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. like big time. Yesterday I had one of the viewers tell me that he always has to physically come to the channel to find the live stream in the morning, because when he goes to youtube.com, it's not on his suggestion feed for some reason on the homepage. Can you guys tell me, do you, when you go to like YouTube, do you see me there in the morning for this pre-market stream, or do you have to actually come to my channel and click on it? It'd be great if you could let me know there in the chat section. That's some good info that I can then take to like whatever customer service, I guess, on YouTube, and be like, yo, what's up here? You see it, Great Dane? Okay, the Beast. Oh, the Beast, yeah, about WSB. Got it. It makes sense. It makes sense. All right, you guys got any other tickers you want me to take a look at? You see me on the feed, Great Dane? Awesome. Cindy, you see it, but you had to add to notifications. Got it. Dwayne, you see it? Okay, cool, good stuff. Guys, just, you know, at this point, just hit the notification thing so that you're alerted when I go live. Because, I don't know, man. I don't know why YouTube doesn't like me. So that way you won't miss it. Like Cindy, she has it set up that way so that she doesn't miss out on the stream. So yeah, let's do that. That way we can reconvene here when I go live. Sometimes on a crazy market day, I might go live in the middle of the day sometimes. So there's that too. Joe, what's up, my man? You see me? All right, cool beans. All right, guys. All right. So IONQ, let's go bring that one up really quickly here. Today we're going to be a little bit pressed more for time since I started the stream a little bit late. You know, I started at 8:15 instead of 8 because I don't really do these Friday streams. I'm considering maybe doing a shorter version on Fridays, doing them at 8:15 on Fridays. I think that's pretty cool. You know, I might do that. I'm on the mic all day long because a lot of places, what they do with their chat rooms is they're on the mic in the morning, right? Like they'll be on maybe on the live stream at this time on YouTube, and then they'll switch over to their Discord or their other chat software that they use, and they'll be live in the morning, and they'll be live until 10, 10:30, 11, and then that's it. They're gone for the day. I'm live all day long in the Discord, like all the way through until 12. At 12, we go to lunch, and then at 2 p.m., I get back on the microphone again in the afternoon. So the reason why I don't really do the streams on Fridays is because I need a break, because I'm on this microphone and this camera all day long. So that's what I do. So maybe what I'll do is on Fridays, I might start doing them already pretty soon, but I'll dial them back, do them a little bit shorter on Fridays, start them a little bit later, and that way, you know, I can still get a little rest in. Because yeah, I'm not like these other chats that they're gone by 11 because they have a job or something. I'm on Discord live all day long. Oh, Lee, thank you, appreciate it. The Beast, I did. I actually put some new ones in today. Not in the title, but in the where you put the hashtags, I guess. CD, I'm live on YouTube in the morning like this. You see me now, but at 9 o'clock I go live on the Discord. I go live on the Discord for my members over there. You can get 30 days for free right here. But I'm live there all day from 9:20. All right, scanners are up there right now, but in the charts. But I'm live there from 9:20 until 12. At 11:30 we start lessons and recaps on the live trading from the earlier morning session. And then at 12 we go to lunch, and then at 2 p.m. I get back on the microphone and we do afternoon scans and a little bit of afternoon commentaries. Typically on Fridays I don't do afternoon commentaries there. Maybe very short afternoon commentaries, if that. But yeah, I'm live all day long, so that's why. Oh, Alex, you know what? That was on purpose. Sometimes those typos get huge searches. Thank you for noticing that, because I forgot about it already, so I'm going to go back and fix it because it didn't do anything for the video. But thank you for noticing that and bringing it up to me now, because now I can go back and fix it. Sometimes typos bring in a bunch of views, believe it or not. Sometimes typos actually have bigger search volumes than the properly spelled word. It's something funny I noticed. Okay, so IONQ will look for that. Yeah, IONQ. Look, we went over this one recently. Look, all the lines are here already. 1550. You want to see that break and a hold. You want to see it break, right? And start to hold support to see if it can get yourself a little move higher. If not, you have bottom support around 13, which is that 200-day moving average level. Yeah, Lee, exactly. They're like there in the chat room for 30 minutes and they're gone because either they don't know how to trade patterns and they just trade momentum, or they have jobs that they have to go to, right? But now this is what I do. So I'm on Discord all day long. Thanks, Angel. Appreciate hitting that like button. Yeah, my pleasure, CD. Angel, what's the Spanglish? What, the spelling? That's funny. All right, guys. All right, so let's go. If you have any other tickers, throw them up there. Do me a quick solid, hit that like button. We got 27 people watching, 21 likes, and we got to get those likes up so the YouTube algorithm says, oh, they do like him. Yes, Great Dane. Yes, yes, yes. They're actually up right now. All day long. So check out Great Dane's question in chat, guys. The answer to that is yes. So you get a tremendous amount of value, like huge, in the Discord. You wouldn't even need me to talk, and you're already getting value because of what Great Dane just asked, and the answer is yes. Cizu. That is one funny one. Kazoo. Kazoo Group. There we go, Kazoo Group. That's never heard of that one. Clear as day, obviously here, 480s, so $5 resistance. What's going to happen here is if you break up over 5, you're going to have immediate resistance at 540 because you have the 50-day moving average there, previous top here showing your resistance. So those are two levels that are going to be key on this stock. For support here at the bottom, maybe around the 450s, maybe. All right, so what time is it? Yeah, we still got a little time here. We still got a little time here before we got to start building out that watch list. Let me send out a quick tweet, let everybody know we're here live. Jackie, good morning. Okay, so if you guys don't have any more tickers here, what I'll do is yesterday we'll start going over the SPY. KAVL. KAVL. Oof, that $3. Look at previously this $3 zone. Support there, right? Turned into big time resistance here for the gap entry. We're far away from it. We're far away from it, but it's good to be mindful of knowing that level is going to be there. So if I were somebody that wants to keep this stock on watch ongoing, I would just do this right now and leave that line there so that I don't forget. That's going to be your gap entry level. That level might start to act like a magnet and just have the stock gravitate towards it. I know it sounds far-fetched and crazy, and I remember as a new trader hearing somebody say something similar and being like, come on, it's not freaking magic. But it is. Oftentimes, you start to see that notice on charts, especially with major moving averages like the 50 or the 200 day. For right now, though, like looking back to maybe some support zones, maybe these 180s. Previous top here, here. Previous support back here, right? That's some previous support back there. Previous tops right in here. So maybe that level continues to act as a level of support. Have the stock pull back, hold up in there, kind of, catch its breath before it starts to make that move towards 3. You have to understand, this thing has gone from 50 cents to $2 and change, basically straight up. Very little rest. And the volume is starting to get a little bit lighter. Not much, but a little bit lighter. So those are just some things to take notice on that one. All right. So some earnings have come out here. Under Armour, the athletic apparel maker, reported an adjusted quarterly profit of 14 cents per share, doubling consensus estimate with better than expected revenue. So you have that. Let's see here. Newell Brands NWL, the household products maker, stock added 1.2% in pre-market trading after reporting better than expected profits and revenue. Let's see, Zillow. Here we go. One that might matter a little bit more. Zillow posted an adjusted quarterly loss of 42 cents per share compared to the projected loss of $1.07. So I'd probably send it higher, I bet. Let's see here. Well, just pretty much sideways here. Not much going on there with Zillow. Affirm got rocked. Affirm got rocked yesterday, guys. Look at this. Look at that. That is insane. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That's crazy, man. This thing went from what I have understood, it went from 80s to 50s. From what I understood, right, yesterday watching after hours, reading it through some articles, was that apparently somebody from the company tweeted the earnings early. And that happened. That's rough. That is rough. So let's see here. What were their earnings like? So Affirm, the financial technology company best known for its buy now, pay later plans, tumbled 10.4% in pre-market after plummeting 21.4% in Thursday's trading. Affirm stock first plunged after the company released its quarterly reports earlier than intended. The pressure continued amid projections of higher transaction volumes but lower than expected revenue. Well, looks like they got some stuff they got to fix in the firm. Let me remove that spam real quick there. Yep, that's about it there, guys. All right, let's check in on some overall news here now. U.S. stock futures were mixed Friday, one day after a sharp sell-off that was prompted by hotter than expected inflation data and St. Louis Federal Reserve President James Bullard call for 100 basis point worth of interest rate hikes by July 1st. That's the key. And that's what I was telling people yesterday in chat. Yesterday in chat, we knew, right, that we had very hot inflation data. So in the morning, we had the big gap down. I was looking to see if the SPY was going to give us a weak volume bounce that would allow for some put trades in the morning. But what did the SPY do? Moon. It didn't care. It didn't care. And I got on the microphone, guys, there is a huge disconnect here. Huge disconnect here, because the problem is that we have inflation data that hasn't been seen for 40 years. It's going to cause for the Fed to raise rates way faster than expected and way bigger than expected. This market is disconnected from reality. We had the 10-year Treasury yield popping off super strong also yesterday in the morning, and the SPY just kept going higher and higher and higher. nothing really changed. The only thing that changed was right there. Right there. That's when the St. Louis Federal Reserve President James Bullard came out and said the things he just said here, calling for a 100 basis point of interest rate by July 1st. And then at that point, it's like the market was like, oh, wait, this is serious. Yeah, no crap, it's serious. And then you got that crazy move. Now, that happened during lunchtime, so missed out on it. Kind of sucks. And here we are bouncing back some now. I would watch at this point and see if the SPY can basically hold underneath 449, 450. If that level can hold resistance, I think the SPY today gets right back down here. This 200-day moving average in the 440s. So you know what? We might as well add that one to the watch list right now. Angel says, thank you. Great tips. I like your quick response. If I could get this time and dialogue with you, I will join Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, join now. You're going to get 30 days for free. This is exactly what I do in the Discord. I'm going to tell you right now, though, the only difference is at 9:30, 9:40, 9:45, 10 o'clock, when I'm stalking trades, I'm on the microphone just like this. If you ask a question in chat, I might not see it right away if it's not pertaining to a trade at hand, right? That's the only thing. I have to let you know that ahead of time because it wouldn't be fair otherwise. The problem is that everyone's looking at these trades with me, so I have to be attending to the trades. And if I am in an active trade, I'm not going to be able to be bringing up other charts in the meanwhile and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I have to attend to the open trade at hand. But there are other moderators in chat as well. Now, after the trading time is done, or if I'm not in a trade, yeah, we do Q&As. Look, the Beast is from the chat right now. He'll tell you. The Beast, Jackie's one of my DTC Pro students. So he's not a DTC Light student. He's a DTC Pro. He actually just went through the courses, became DTC Pro certified. Okay, so back to the SPY. So we did DCFC. Now SPY, watching for the 449, 450 area to hold resistance for a drop back down to the 200-day moving average. So that's what I'm watching on the SPY today. I gotta run this morning. If not, I would have. All right, have a good one, brother. Take it easy. Have a good weekend as well, Angel. See you Monday. Lee's asking me about trade ideas. What percentage of my trades come from trade ideas? So my scanners, I use TC2000 and I use TI, and man, all the stocks I trade come from my scanners. Like I'd say at least 75%. Thank you. Keeping coffee time, guys. I'd say at least 75% of my trades come from my scanners. Yeah, see, the Beast knows. Here, look, you know what? Lee? Hold on one second, because I got something for you. You're going to get 2 weeks to be able to test trade ideas for just $11. Hold on. Let me find you the link. Where is it? Here we go. Here you go, Lee. Click that. Sign up there. On Monday, you're going to be able to test drive trade ideas. All you're going to have to pay them is $11 and change, and it's not recurring. So it's a one-time fee. You'll pay $11.11, I think it is, and then you'll have 2 weeks of trade ideas, including the AI software, their artificial intelligence, for 2 weeks. That way you can test drive it and see for yourself. And then at the end of the test drive, they're going to give you 25% off coupon code, either a 20 or a 25% off coupon code if you want to sign up for it. You got it. Every time you guys ask for something, I'm here like, wait a second, I got something for you. All right, so let's see. No, it's my pleasure. Totally my pleasure. One fun fact. When I first started to trade, now, thankfully for me, I've been self-employed now for, I don't even know, man. We're approaching 20 years. So I had the extra income at the time to just spend it on trade ideas. And I was paper trading because I was a new trader. So I was in a paper account learning And I still bought trade ideas because I just liked it. So I had it forever. At this point, I don't even... At this point, I just like to see it on the screen even if I don't use it. But I do use it. What I have access to now is their AI. And it's not that I'm going to use it because I don't like computers trading for me. But I want to test it out and do a review video. I want to test it out and do a review video. There you go. Look at Dwayne. Look at what Dwayne just said. The Beast. These guys are in the Discord, guys. I'm telling you, the value you get with the DTC Lite membership alone, the value you get is stupid. It's obscene. It's obscene. The DTC Pro is another level, but that's a little bit more serious because that's when you are going through the courses. So the DTC Lite, you get the 30 days for free right there. And if you want to check out DTC Pro, but that's a little serious. I'm telling you right now, it's a little serious. This special ends Friday, which I think is today. Okay, so back to the watch list. We got DCFC, we got SPY, and then we have CTRM was hitting the scans here. Let's see if it had news. I don't know if it had news. I know the Beast talked about it earlier. This is one of those shipper stocks, like the tankers, if I'm not mistaken. Like back in the day, DRYS, SEAC, a bunch of those from back in the day. And maybe that's why it's moving around. Yeah, see, it doesn't have any recent news, so I wouldn't put too much emphasis on this one, but I'll still throw it up on the list for a hold of this 100-day moving average. So CTRM watching for the 100-day MA to hold support around $1.88. Could have room to the 200-day MA in the 230s. No news that I see, but a high social media stock. Is that the news? I don't know why it's not showing up here. Oh, yeah, but it was 4 days ago. Yeah, no. I was talking about news today. Had earnings news 4 days ago. Spiro, morning. The Beast, I like that. That was a good one. The Beast, you were around for the DRYS days? My guy. DRYS, guys. DRYS was crazy. I literally made, with 15 shares back then, I literally made over $1,000 on DRYS. That thing was crazy. Crazy. That thing went from $3 to $115 or something like that in a matter of less than a week. It was crazy. You were lurking? That's when I was getting started, basically. CLF tanking the king. Oof. That's an ugly drop. Oh, nice, Umberto. Spiro, thoughts on Apple? Apple right now, all these large names are going to be very dependent on the SPY today. And I think the SPY goes lower possibly today, if not Monday. So you have to be mindful of that. There's some potential supports at where we're at now in the 170s, bouncing off the 170 area on Apple. But then you have the 50-day moving average here in the 172s. So that 170 to 172 levels must be watched for support, if not 167s. If Apple gets under 167, then you really got room to fall to 164-ish. And then the 100-day moving average at 161, 160. So you have DCFC, SPY, CTRM. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla's still holding on to those 880s, man. Tesla holding on to those 880s. So same thing as usual as we've seen throughout the week, guys. Yesterday, Tesla watching. This is the dashboard for DTC Pro members. Tesla watching for the drop back down to the 880s. If this level breaks and becomes resistance, watch for a drop to the 850s. So I'm still going to put that on watch in that fashion, but I'm also going to say that you want to watch for 945 to break and hold if it ever does, whenever it does. All right, so there you go. Tesla has just been stuck in this little range that we've been talking about for almost 2 weeks now. Oof, oh my God, it's already 8:55, guys. Can you believe that? Time is flying. Time is flying. NVIDIA, watch for those 265s to hold resistance. It has for some time now. Yesterday, day before, then back here. 265 has been a strong level of resistance on NVIDIA. Guys, remember yesterday, AMC, we talked about it holding 18s, making a move towards 21. That's exactly what AMC did yesterday. Basically almost to the penny. What's the high of AMC yesterday? Let's see here. Yesterday's high to the penny is $20.96. I said 21. I think that's pretty damn close. AMC watching for 18 area to hold support, could have room towards 2021 zone. There you go. Right off the watch list. That's right off the watch list. If you guys aren't on the watch list newsletter, here you go. You can get the watch list into your inbox. So we got DCFC, SPY, CTRM, Tesla, and let's see, PayPal. Yeah, PayPal still not looking ready to bounce. Facebook bouncing around, but that 234 area is now holding resistance. So keep eyes on that. If the market pulls back today, especially, Facebook watching for the 245 area to hold resistance. Has room back down to 220. Yeah, to like 223, honestly. 223 to 215-ish. Down to 215, 223 area. That coffee was delicious. All right, so DCFC, SPY, CTRM, Tesla, Facebook. Those are the ones I have on watch so far for the day. If you guys have any last minute tickers you want me to take a look at for you, just go ahead and throw it up there in chat and I will do that happily. If not, I'll start getting ready to put the final touches on the watch list and then I'll send it. I'll have Jonah send it out in the email to everyone. The Q's getting rejected at the 200. Oh, yesterday, yeah. Yeah, like SPY got rejected at the 100. Yeah, SPY yesterday rejected at the 100. The Q's rejected the 200. Today we need the SPY to drop back down here to the 200. Maybe cracks it today. If not, I would say possibly Monday it might crack it. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. That's pretty much it there for now on these names. Unless you guys have any other names you want me to take a look at. Yeah, we did KAVL already. We went over KAVL. KAVL. $3 resistance. Maybe 190s support. What's the problem here, Lando? You're going to come in here and insult people? You know, that's an easy ban, my guy. Easy ban. Easy ban. Like, I don't know what people think. Like, honestly, I don't know what people think sometimes. That's an easy ban. Guy comes in here, puts KAVL, then puts it a bunch more times, then says, "Are you blind?" I'm not here to do I'm not here to do your homework for you, my guy. You're not gonna come on the stream and then spam the chat and then insult me, right? Like, I'm not here to do your homework for you. Would you add more shares of CTRM? I have no shares of CTRM. I have no shares of CTRM. If I were in CTRM and long from, let's say, here, or long from here, I would be taking bulk of profit off here. This stock has gone from $1 to $2 and basically 30 cents, like that. Definitely, definitely. You know, a time for me to take profit if I were long CTRM. All right, guys. So it's 9 o'clock. I got to get ready to jump on over to the Discord and start going over things with the team over there. So if you want to come join us over there, here's 30 days for free on the live stream in the Discord. I'll be there all day. So I'll see you over there. If not, I'll see you Monday morning at 8 a.m. Okay? Have a good weekend. Stay safe today. Be careful with the market today. It's going to be active. It's going to be volatile. And that's what day traders, you know, that's what we like. So just be careful with that out there today. Manage your risk correctly. Don't let emotions dictate your decision making. And stick to your trade plans. All right? Have yourself a great day and a good weekend. Thank you very much for tuning in, smashing that like button. And good luck out there today.